everyone. Now the arithmetic progression exercise 1.3 question number 1. Here the question number 1 is find the sum of the following APs. Sum is nothing but after addition what you will get, that is nothing but a sum. And the AP is given as 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Means what it has given, here only 3 terms are given, 2, 7 and 12. Likewise, if we are writing the 10 terms and if we are adding, what will be the sum? That we have to find here. A is first term is given as 2, up to 10 term is n is 10. D is nothing but difference of two consecutive terms. Here if we will take 7 minus 2, it is 5. If we will take 12 minus 7, again it will also be 5. Any two digits difference we have to find, consecutive difference. Now the summation, sum formula you are having, Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Our n is 10, so we are substituting 10 by 2. A is 2, n minus 1 is 10 minus 1, d is 5. So 2 by 10 means 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. So we will get here 5. 2 2s are 4. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 9 5s are is 45. So 4 plus 45 is 49. 5 into 49 is 245. So what it means here, if the numbers 2, 7, 12 like this up to 10 numbers if you are writing and if we are adding them, then our addition answer will be equals to 245. Like this you can check in your rough books for that. What we can do, 2, 7 and 12. So the next number will be 2, 7, 12. The difference is 5. Means in 12 we have to add the 5. So 12 plus 5 is 17. Then 17 plus 5 is again 22. Like this if we will write up to 10 numbers and if we will add, our summation answer will be equals to 245. Like this we have to do in this bit. Now we will go for the second question. What the second question is here? Again sum we have to find up to 12 terms. Means like this if we are writing 12 numbers and if we will add, what will be the addition answer? That we have to find here. A, the first term is given as minus 37. N is up to 12 terms means n is equals to 12. The difference is nothing but A2 minus A1 or you can take A3 minus A2. Any two terms we have to subtract. It should be consecutive. Now minus 33 minus into 37 means it is plus. Minus 33 plus 37 is 4. So the difference we are getting here as equals to 4. Now the summation formula. Sum formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 12 by 2, 2 into a is minus 37, 12 minus 1 d is 4. 2 ones are 2, 6 that gets cancelled, so we are getting here 6. Minus 37 into 2, minus 74. 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 4s is 44. Signs are different, that's why we are subtracting. It is minus 30. 6 into minus 30, minus 80. So what it indicates, minus 80. If we will add these like minus 29 up to 12 terms and if we will add, our addition answer will be equals to minus 120. Now the same way we will go for the third question. What the third question is here? 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. So here our n is 100, a is 0.6, d is nothing but difference. 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. Summation formula, Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substituting, 2 ones are 2 50s are, that's why we will get 50. 2 into 0.6, 1.5. 100 minus 1, 99. 99 into 0.1, 1.1, 108.9. If we will add these two, it will be 110.1. 110.1 into 50 is equals to 5505. Again, if we will add 100 terms, after adding 100 terms, our addition answer will be 5505. This way, the last question of this first bit, the numbers are 1 by 5, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 up to 11 terms. So n is 11, a is 1 by 15, d is subtraction. 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. 12 and 15 LCM if we will take, here we are getting the LCM as equal to 60. Here, look at here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So 60 is the LCM. In the table of 12, 60 will come for 5s, so 5 we are taking here. In the 15th table it will come for 4s, so 5 minus 4 is 1 by 60, d is 1 by 60. Now formula for Sn, 11 by 2, 2 into 1 by 15, it is nothing but a. 11 minus 1 into 1 by 60. 2 by 50, 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 ones are 10, 6 are gets cancelled, so 1 by 6. Now LCM of 15 and 6 is 30. So 30 when we are taking LCM, with the LCM method, fractional form, we will get here into 2, here we will get into 5, because in the table of 6 it will come for 5s. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 by 30. 3 3s are 9, 3 10s are 30. 11 into 3 is 33, 2 into 10 is 20. So what we are getting here, if we will add the 11 terms of this arithmetic progression, our addition answer will be 33 by 20. Hope you have understood this bit. If you are having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.